So I'm here today to share the new surprise kit for June. Woohoo! And I'm also going to plan with this in my bullet journal and in my happy planner, which is a first for me on camera. So this kit is a subscription based kit. It is a personalized sticker kit. So the girl in the kit is me. You can customize it to your own girl. The kit is under $20. She ships free worldwide, and if you use the code Kyra20, which is linked down below, you can get 20% off your first month. And if you use the link down below, it is an affiliate link, so I will get a small commission if you use it. You don't have to use it. It's just a little disclaimer. So I won't linger around too much. But I am so in love with this kit. It is gorgeous. So it comes every time beautifully wrapped in this tissue paper with my name on there. I have the planner pack. She also has a fun pack. And this month is like so right up my alley. So here are some sticker flakes. I'm gonna open it. Oh, I ripped the sticker. Oh well. Some small decorative sticker flakes, and this time they are on vellum, which is really cool. I really love these. I hope you can see them a little bit. Camera focus. They are super cute. Then next is a glitter deco sheet with circles, hexagons, bows, arrows, butterflies and hearts. Then you get this beautiful heart sheet, and I love the foiling this month. I really love it. Then she included this clear pocket with this gorgeous teal color or turquoise. Then you have these checklist boxes. These ones are my favorite, the emoji girls, and like I said, this is me. Your girl will look different. It's super fun. You can just go over to the website and make your own girl. You don't have to order, but you can check out the wonderful girls, and it's really cool. Then, oh, I love this sheet. I love this sheet. I love these colors. So pretty. Then this month we got some marble sticky notes in there. And then this functional sheet, really pretty. Then this sheet with headers and washi and banners, super cool. Then these circle girls, which I really like. Then this month on the sheet we have my name and my husband's name, and there are quotes on there like friends are the family you choose, and that's so right. Life is better with friends, and a day spent with friends is a good day. So I really like this. Then you have the sheet with the girl and some quotes with my own name, which I really enjoy. Then she also has some coloring in sheets with my name, which I really like. And I believe that is the kit. So you get a ton of stickers for under $20, which is really nice. So I'm gonna take you through in a plan with me. I pulled out some washi that I thought that would fit this color scheme. I don't know if I'm gonna use them all, but I just picked them out. Really nice. And I'm gonna do a plan with me in my bullet journal and in my happy planner, because I changed my setup. So I'm gonna show you, since last time that I shared my bullet journal with you, how things are going for me. So let's see. So you saw me set up this. So I'm using it fully. I'm using my brain dump. I'm doing the lettering challenge, and I'm pretty good with it right now. I started doing dailies, which I really enjoy. I really enjoyed this. And then I put in a weekly and a master to-do list for the week, so I can check that out. And I always put a top 3 in my happy planner, but this just has everything I need to do in a week, and here's the timely stuff. Then I had some more dailies, and now we are here. So I'm gonna set up the week, and I'm gonna set up my first daily for Monday, and I'm gonna plan in my happy planner. So this is my first week in my Happy Planner. Then I went over to June. I just used the calendar just like this because I just need a place to write stuff down. I noticed it's fun to decorate, but it's not functional for me in this calendar setup. And this is the first week of June, the second week, and then here the third week. And now I'm gonna plan with you this week. So I'm a bit nervous because I haven't done a plan with me in my Happy Planner before. And let's see how this will turn out. I'm a bit fuzzy in the brain, so let's hope this will be a nice and sweet plan with me. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to check out the surprise sticker kit. I love this kit, and there is a discount code for you linked in the description box. I hope you enjoy this. See you in the process. Bye! my plan with me. This is my bullet journal for this week, and I will do my dailies over here and I will see how much space I need. I really enjoy this system because I feel very free in this. Then I also finished my happy planner. This is, it might seem double to you, but it's not for me. This is my structure. This is like, I feel more organized when I fill this in. I haven't filled this in obviously on camera because I'm gonna do that downstairs. I'm really gonna think about my planning, checking my schedule multiple times before I do that. But I really enjoyed working with this month's kit. So this is my happy planner and my bullet journal, and I still have plenty of stickers left to do more dailies in my bullet journal or to plan another week with these stickers. There is just so much in this kit, and I'm really happy. I also use these in my regular journal, my writing journal. So that is so awesome and I am loving it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is something new for me. I did something new. I don't know. I would love to hear what you think about this, and I will see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.